We identified metal ions in compounds in section 14. How are we going to identify metal ions in solutions? Sodium hydroxide solution helps you decide which metal ions are in a solution. Many metal hydroxides are insoluble, so if we put the metal ions with hydroxide ions, then a precipitate will appear. Here is copper 2 sulfate. Now we add sodium hydroxide and a blue precipitate forms. Remember to add a few drops and then excess sodium hydroxide solution. This one contains magnesium ions. Note the heavy white precipitate. Again, drops and excess. The fainter precipitate tells us that this contains calcium ions. Again, drops and excess. This time a white precipitate forms, which redissolves, indicating that this contains aluminium ions. This is why we add drops to start with and then excess sodium hydroxide solution. This yellow solution produces a brown precipitate showing iron 3 ions are present. This pale blue-green solution produces a green precipitate, showing that iron 2 ions are present. If we look at the top of the green precipitate, we can see that it is turned brown. The air has oxidized the green iron 2 hydroxide to brown iron 3 hydroxide.